Meaning of freighter.
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 Freighter. A freighter is a type of cargo ship designed to transport goods, materials, or commodities from one port to another. It is typically larger and more durable than other ships, with a capacity that can range from a few hundred tons to several thousand tons. Freighters play a vital role in global trade, as they are responsible for transporting the majority of goods around the world. They can also be used for specialized purposes, such as transporting oil or natural gas. Overall, freighters are critical components of modern commerce and logistics.